Welcome to Compare to Win. The best reusable K Cups is probably one of the most impactful upgrades for any Keurig owner, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to enjoy your favorite ground coffee with unparalleled freshness and flavor, all while significantly reducing single-use plastic waste and giving you complete control over your brew strength and blend. Number 5. K&J Keurig Filter Replacement. These replacement filters are designed for a perfect fit with almost all Keurig coffee machines. They seamlessly integrate with both 2.0 and older models, ensuring broad compatibility for your brewing needs. Crafted with a specialized micromesh material, these filters ensure the activated charcoal remains securely inside. This innovative design prevents any clogging in your coffee maker, maintaining its optimal performance. With activated charcoal, they effectively remove impurities like calcium, chlorine, and unwanted odors from your water. This process guarantees a consistently clean and delicious cup of coffee every time you brew. We are committed to reducing waste, which is why these filters are shipped with minimal packaging. Each filter is also individually sealed, ensuring protection and freshness until you're ready to use it. K&J stands behind the effectiveness of its filters, aiming to provide the best on the market. If for any reason they don't meet your expectations, our dedicated customer team is ready to assist you. What we like. If you have multiple Keurig models, its universal fit is a huge plus. The micromesh material ensures no clogs while activated charcoal dramatically improves your coffee's taste. If you're looking for consistently great tasting coffee across all your Keurig machines, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source data. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 4. RETHONE K Cup Reusable Coffee Pods. These reusable coffee filters are designed to work seamlessly with your Keurig 1.0 and 2.0 coffee makers. They fit many popular models like K Classic, K Elite, and K Cafe, ensuring a perfect brew every time. Please check the full list for specific model compatibility. Made from high-quality, dishwasher-safe stainless steel, these pods are a smart choice for both your wallet and the planet. They help you save money on disposable pods while significantly reducing your environmental footprint. Make a sustainable switch today. Enjoy a consistently rich and clean cup of coffee with these stainless steel pods. Their dense mesh filters effectively prevent any grounds from entering your mug. This ensures a smooth, superior taste every time you brew. Using them is incredibly simple, just fill with your favorite coffee grounds. Cleaning is just as easy, simply rinse them under running water or toss them in your dishwasher. They are designed for your convenience. These reusable pods feature a one-piece construction with perfectly matched rubber rings for a secure top seal. This innovative design ensures a completely leakage-free brewing experience. You can trust them to deliver a mess-free cup every time. What we like. These stainless steel pods offer a superior taste experience with their dense mesh filters. Being dishwasher safe and reusable, they are both eco-friendly and economical. If you're a regular coffee drinker who values both taste and sustainability, this 4-pack provides great value and consistent quality. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 3. RETHONE K Cup Reusable Coffee Pods. These reusable coffee pods are designed for broad compatibility. They work seamlessly with Keurig 1.0 and 2.0 coffee makers, including popular models like K Classic and K Elite. Please check the full list for specific models. Made from high-quality, dishwasher-safe stainless steel, it's a sustainable choice. This helps you save money over time and significantly reduces your environmental footprint. Enjoy your coffee guilt-free. Experience a superior coffee taste with these pods. Their dense mesh filters effectively prevent any grounds from entering your cup. Enjoy a clean, rich brew every time. Using and cleaning them is incredibly simple. Just rinse them under running water or place them in your dishwasher for a quick cycle. It's designed for your convenience. They feature a one-piece construction with perfectly matching rubber rings. This ensures a secure, leakage-free seal every time you brew. Say goodbye to messy spills. What we like. This single stainless steel pod delivers superior taste and is incredibly easy to clean. Its perfect sealing prevents leaks, ensuring a mess-free brew every time. If you're new to reusable K-Cups or just need one for occasional use, this is a perfect, low commitment way to enjoy better coffee. What people say. Number 2. CASABREWS Cask 02 Reusable K Cup Filters. Discover the CASABREWS Cask 02, a 2-pack of stainless steel refillable coffee pods. These eco-friendly and BPA-free filters are designed for Keurig 1.0 brewers, offering a universal fit. These filters are specifically designed for Keurig 1.0 brewers. They fit popular models such as K Classic, K Elite, K Latte, and K Cafe. Please refer to the compatibility image to ensure it works with your machine. Please note, they are not compatible with Keurig 2.0 or newer models like K Supreme. Always verify your specific brewer model before purchasing to avoid any issues. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these reusable pods help reduce plastic waste. Over time, they will save you money by eliminating the need for disposable pods and paper filters. Their 360-degree perforated design ensures even water flow, optimizing saturation. This process preserves the natural oils and rich flavor of your favorite coffee grounds. Featuring a one-piece design with a tight sealing lid, they prevent any leaks during brewing. Simply fill them with coffee, brew, discard the grounds, and rinse. They're even top-rack dishwasher safe. What we like. Specifically designed for Keurig 1.0 brewers, these pods ensure optimal performance for older machines. Their 360 degrees perforated design extracts rich, full-bodied flavor from your grounds. If you own a Keurig 1.0 model and want to maximize flavor while reducing waste, these are tailor-made for you. What people say. Number 1. VitaCup Green Tea Pods. Start your morning with a refreshing lift. These pods are crafted to enhance your energy levels and support natural detoxification. Experience the benefits of premium matcha and moringa. They provide a rich source of antioxidants and vital nutrients. Each serving is infused with B vitamins and vitamin D3. These help support your overall well-being and daily vitality. Whether you follow a keto, paleo, or vegan lifestyle, these pods fit right in. They are designed to complement various dietary needs. Enjoy a perfect cup every time with these single-serve pods. They are fully compatible with your Keurig K-Cup brewers for ultimate convenience. Elevate your daily routine with a delicious and beneficial beverage. Grab a pack and discover the difference it makes. What we like. These pre-filled pods offer a convenient way to enjoy green tea infused with matcha, moringa, and essential vitamins. They are perfect for a quick energy boost or a detoxifying drink. If you're looking for a healthy, ready-to-brew beverage option for your Keurig, these provide both convenience and wellness benefits. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source data. Unable to extract any specific points for product features or design. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.